Here's a look at the Corning WCH-06P. This is the wall-mountable connector housing. Let's go ahead and open the side. As you can tell, all 6 panels are on one side. Includes a hardware kit, labels, ties, mounting screws. Now there's the transitional strain relief, and you can go ahead and put that on the top or the bottom. Reason being is you got your knockout on the top or the bottom, whichever entrance is more convenient for you. That is the internal strain relief. And those are the routing brackets. They are removable. And on the bottom you got an area where you can do some cable ties, keep everything nice and neat. There's the top, exact same look as the bottom. And I do enjoy that bubble right there. What you want to do is like put it on the wall, mark it right there in the center. That way it's nice and straight and looks great on the wall. And everything's removable internally, so you can go ahead and slide those cassettes right on in there. To order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.